Yes, good morning, dear children. Now we are going to start again in continuation of intrinsic semiconductor. In that intrinsic semiconductors, yesterday we have seen the crystal structure of germanium, in which four outermost electron make four covalent bond by the neighboring atom and creates four covalent bond that we have seen. Now, even at room temperature, in this intrinsic semiconductor, the thermal vibration of the atom, लिखो the thermal vibration of an atom, provide energy to the electron, provide energy to the electron in valence band. Write down in valence band to enable some electron. वैलेंस बैंड में कुछ एनर्जी देता है, तो फ्रॉम द वैलेंस बैंड सम इलेक्ट्रॉन क्रॉस द फॉरबिडन एनर्जी गैप टू इनेबल सम इलेक्ट्रॉन yes, to enable some electron to cross forbidden energy gap that we have seen, the gap in between valence band and conduction band, to cross the forbidden energy gap and enter into the conduction band. This is the important property of intrinsic semiconductor at room temperature. Write down this. It's very important. Or this electron which reaches to the conduction band are totally responsible for electrical conductivity in intrinsic semiconductor at room temperature. Higher is the temperature, जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा रूम टेम्परेचर से, हायर इज द टेम्परेचर, लिखो यहां पर हायर इज द टेम्परेचर, मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम कंडक्शन बैंड क्रॉस द फॉरबिडन एनर्जी गैप reaches the conduction band. So higher is the temperature, larger the number of electrons crossing over to the conduction band. और जैसे ही बच्चों वैलेंस बैंड से इलेक्ट्रॉन कंडक्शन बैंड में जाएंगे, तो हम जानते हैं वहां पर खाली स्थान हो जाएगा. Here I can say, suppose this is our valence band. This is valence band. Here is the conduction band. Here are the filled electrons. When these electrons reach here, तो यहाँ पर जो खाली स्थान होगा बच्चों, vacancies created in the valence band. Vacancies created in the valence band, that is called hole. Now we are going to explain here what is hole. Electron is negatively charged particle, while that of holes are positively charged particle. So dear children, see here that So leaving behind the equal number of holes in the valence band. So when an electron breaks covalent bond, when an electron breaks the covalent bond, the empty space or vacancy left, लिखो, the empty space or vacancy left, empty space or vacancy left in the valence band. यहां पर जब इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां पहुंच गया, करंट फ्लो होगा, तो empty space or vacancy left here, this is called hole. This is called hole. It's a very important concept. So when an external electric field is applied, जब इस समय अगर हम external electric field लगाएंगे, when an external electric field is applied here, then free electrons and holes moves in opposite direction. अगर suppose here आप यहां पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लगा रहे हैं, suppose this is the electric field, electrons move in this direction, positive side of the external electric field. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जब इधर जाएगा तो होल इधर क्रिएट होगा. तो electrons and holes both are moving in opposite direction. Electron will move towards the positive terminal of the battery and holes towards the negative terminal of the battery. It's a very, very important concept, dear children. So electrons and holes both are moving in opposite direction. And due to this, current will flow, constitute the current in intrinsic semiconductors, flow through the germanium crystal. The number of free electrons in the conduction band, write down the number of free electrons in the conduction band and number of holes in the valence band. Number of electrons and number of holes in the conduction band and valence band is exactly equal in intrinsic semiconductor. And E is equal to NH. It's a very important thing. Number of electrons in conduction band and number of holes in valence band is exactly equal. Is exactly equal in intrinsic semiconductor, and that is called number density of intrinsic carriers. उसको हम कहेंगे number density of intrinsic semiconductors. Write down the number of electrons and number of holes are equal here. But it is very difficult to make an intrinsic semiconductor, pure intrinsic semiconductor, because of the difficulty in preparing. So what are the limitations? Write down the limitation to develop pure semiconductor based device. What are the limitations of pure intrinsic semiconductors? Limitations of intrinsic semiconductors. Yes. First, in pure semiconductor at room temperature, the number of intrinsic charge carriers. Number of intrinsic charge carriers. कौन से हैं ये? Electrons and holes. Write down. In pure semiconductor at room temperature, the number of intrinsic charge carrier is very small. It is a very small in number at room temperature. जब number of intrinsic carrier बहुत कम होंगे, that is why pure semiconductor or intrinsic semiconductor is a low conducting device. वो ज़्यादा use की नहीं है हमारे, क्योंकि number of electrons and holes are very small. That's why this device is called low conductivity. A sigma is the conductivity here. One more, in pure semiconductor, intrinsic charge carriers In pure semiconductor, intrinsic charge carrier. Second limitation बता रहा हूं. Intrinsic charge carrier are always produced due to the breakage of covalent bond. ये जो इंट्रिंसिक चार्ज कैरियर है रूम टेम्परेचर पर जब प्रोड्यूस होता है, इंट्रिंसिक चार्ज कैरियर्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द ब्रेकेज ऑफ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ थर्मल मोशन. तो यहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन के मूवमेंट की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं होती है. इजीली इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन नॉट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वैलेंस बैंड टू द कंडक्शन बैंड. तो दिस इज अनदर लिमिटेशन. लिख लो यहां पर, इंट्रिंसिक चार्ज कैरियर आर ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द ब्रेकेज ऑफ due to the breakage of covalent bond. Due to the breakage of covalent bond. Due to the breakage of covalent bond. Yes. So the flexibility, देखो enough flexibility is not available. So flexibility is not available. Flexibility is not available to control the number in a pure semiconductor. और थर्ड जो अभी हमने पढ़ी है, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ होल्स दोनों सेम होते हैं इसमें. थर्ड लिमिटेशन, द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स and number of holes both are equal. So it is never possible in a pure semiconductor to have either large number of electrons or either a large number of holes. So conductivity is very low. Number of electrons and holes both are equal. So never possible to have either large number of electrons or large number of holes. So we can say जब both are equal है तो current easily produce नहीं होती है. So this type of intrinsic semiconductor in our electronic devices are not much used. तो इसके लिए हम नए सेमीकंडक्टर पढ़ेंगे आगे चल के. अभी उनको हम बोलेंगे एक्सट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर, जिनको हम कहेंगे इम्प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर. ओके, तो these are the limitations here. So dear children, today we saw how the formation of holes in semiconductors. First, formation of holes in semiconductor. What is the role of holes in semiconductor? We know very well at zero temperature or 0 Kelvin, semiconductor behaves as an insulator. लिख लो, at 0 temperature or 0 Kelvin, the semiconductor behaves as an insulator. अभी हमने देखा जब वैलेंस बैंड से इलेक्ट्रॉन कंडक्शन बैंड में जंप कर रहे हैं, यहां पर in this manner through this forbidden energy gap, so some holes are there in this manner. Draw this diagram, then I am explaining. So vacancies created in the valence band at a place where the electron was present before moving to the conduction band. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जैसे यहां चला गया तो यहां पर वैकेंसी क्रिएट हुई है, and this vacancy is called hole. This vacancy is called hole. Okay, लिख लो यहां पर. तो vacancy is called a hole. और I can say, और लिखो आगे ये फिगर बना करके, the absence of negatively charged electron, the absence of negatively charged electron is equal to the presence of amount of positive charge. कुल मिलाकर के होल जो होता है बच्चों, इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज एन पॉजिटिव चार्ज. होल विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज. Hole will be considered as a positive charge having charge equal to that of electron. चार्ज दोनों का बराबर होता है, बट एक पर नेगेटिव चार्ज है और दूसरे पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. ओके, तो होल इज कंसिडर्ड एज एन एक्टिव पार्टिकल. लिखो, होल इज कंसिडर्ड as an active particle in valence band, while that of electron is considered as an active part in conduction band. Hole is considered as an active part in valence band. Electron is considered as an active part in conduction band and that are responsible for constitute of currents. So motion of the electron in the conduction band. In conclusion, the motion of the electron in conduction band, motion of electron in conduction band and motion of holes in valence band, motion of conduction, motion of electrons in conduction band and holes in valence band are responsible for electrical conduction in semiconductors. That are responsible for electrical conduction in semiconductors. So this is the working of intrinsic semiconductors and formation of holes. Now today we are going to see one more article, electrical conduction in semiconductor. Electrical conduction in semiconductor. It is due to the movement of electrons in conduction band and movement of holes in valence band. इसकी वजह से हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्शन होगा. Suppose this is your intrinsic semiconductor and you are applying here a battery. Say like this. This is the battery here. So when an electric field is applied, electron in the conduction band travels in opposite direction to that of applied electric field. तो electron move करेगा इधर, और जब movement of electron होगा, it moves towards the positive terminal of the battery, constitute an electric current that is called electronic current, और उसको हम कहेंगे बच्चों IE. At the same time, holes in the valence band travel in the direction of applied electric field. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर मूव करेगा, होल्स इधर मूव करेंगे, holes will move towards the negative terminal of the battery. So due to hole constitute a current and that current is called hole current, IH. So we are seeing here two types of current inside a semiconductor. Electronic current. Two types of current we are seeing here. Electronic current in conduction band, hole current in valence band. So electronic current and hole current. Okay. So effective current here it is I is equal to IE plus IH. Listen me dear children. Your attendance will be marked only and only at 9:35 whenever our class is over. Remember this. Now, so this is the total current here. The pure semiconductor at room temperature, current strength is very weak, as I told you. The number of intrinsic carriers at room temperature is very small. This is the limitations of intrinsic semiconductor. Okay, तो क्या किया जाए? तो this type of semiconductors are not of much use, so we have to add some impurity in it and increase the number density of electrons or number density of holes in a semiconductor, or increase the conductivity in that type of semiconductor. That is called extrinsic semiconductor. That is called extrinsic semiconductor. So here we are going to see what do you mean by doping. Doping is a very important concept for extrinsic semiconductor. Doping. Doping is a process of addition of a suitable impurity. Because doping is a process of adding impurity, adding impurity atoms to have a pure semiconductor, to modify its properties. Adding impurity atoms to a pure semiconductor. प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर में कुछ हम इंप्योरिटी ऐड करेंगे टू इंक्रीज इट कंडक्टिविटी इन अ कंट्रोल्ड मैनर. दिस इज कॉल्ड डोपिंग. इंप्योरिटी एटम जो हम ऐड करेंगे बच्चों, द इंप्योरिटी एटम सो एडेड इन इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर इज कॉल्ड डोपेंट. दैट इज कॉल्ड डोपेंट. Okay, लिख लो. The impurity atom so added is called dopant. Impurity atom added may be 1 part per million. 1 part per million. Per million एटम में हम एक एटम ऐड करेंगे केवल. ये देख लो, जिसको हम कहते हैं ppm. Impurity atom so added is 1 part per million. जब भी आप डोपिंग करेंगे, some special conditions are there. So while you are doping, number 1 लिखो, the dopant atom should take the position of semiconductor atom in the lattice. जो भी आप impurity atom ऐड करेंगे, वो impurity atom crystal structure of germanium और silicon उसकी जगह लेगा. एक एटम वहां उस क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर में ऐड होगा. तो लिखिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन, द डोपेंट एटम शुड टेक the position of semiconductor in crystal lattice. This is the important thing. और जब आप डोपिंग करें तो ड्यू टू डोपिंग आपका क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होना चाहिए. इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट. जब हम डोपिंग कर रहे हैं तो जो एक्चुअल क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर है जर्मेनियम का या सिलिकॉन का, वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए. सेकेंड वन, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डोपेंट should not destroy, presence of dopants should not distort the crystal lattice. इन बातों का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Distort the crystal lattice. It's a very important concept while doping. और थर्ड एंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, the size of the the size of the dopant atom, the size of the dopant atom should be same of crystal atom. आप जिस भी क्रिस्टल एटम में डोपेंट डाल रहे हैं दोनों की साइज सेम होनी चाहिए. साइज ऑफ द डोपेंट एटम should be same as that of crystal atom. Should be same as that of crystal atom. So these are the important conditions while doping. So doping of a semiconductor increases its electrical conductivity. हमारा मेन उद्देश्य क्या है कि कंडक्टिविटी बढ़ाना. So my main motto to increase the conductivity, we are going to do doping. Okay, so the methods of doping are, first very simple method बताएंगे. Methods of doping एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता ही है. Write down any one method of doping. First is add the impurity atom in the melt of semiconductor. सेमीकंडक्टर एटम को गर्म करिए, मेल्ट करिए और इसमें इंप्योरिटी एटम डाल दीजिए. Add the impurity atom in the melt of the semiconductor. In the melt of the semiconductor. Simple process. And one more method, that is heat the crystalline semiconductor. Heat करिए, गर्म करिए crystalline semiconductor को in an atmospheric pressure containing dopant atom or molecules, so that diffuse into the crystalline lattice immediately. Diffusion method जिसको कह सकते हैं अपन. So heat the semiconductor in an atmosphere containing dopant atoms. ऐसे एटमॉस्फेयर में सेमीकंडक्टर को गर्म करिए जहां पर ऑलरेडी इंप्योरिटी अवेलेबल है, तो वहां से वो एटम क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर में अटैच हो जाए. दिस इज द सेकंड प्रोसेस. ओके, तो डियर चिल्ड्रन, these are the method of doping. So today this is all about our module. Tomorrow we will discuss extrinsic semiconductor. 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है सीबीएसई एग्जाम में. So it is my request to all of you, join class regularly. Dushyantan Pulkit. Send the attendance. Is it any problem, then ask. Okay, both are here? Yes. Okay, bye.